So I did a challenge, 30 shorts for 30 days. And I seen a guy on the channel titled Channel Makers. He said, I wonder what would happen if a channel did 30 shorts for 30 days, uploaded them, and to see what it would do for their analytics. So, challenge accepted. That's what I did. Stick around, I'll tell you what happened with my videos. Hey, what's up everybody? This is Leroy and welcome to my channel, 40 and Broke, where we're all about getting out of debt, saving, investing, getting our finances under control so we can live the life we've always dreamed of. So, if you're new to this channel, I ask that you subscribe down below. I ask that you give me a big thumbs up for that YouTube algorithm. And if you like videos like this, hey, stick around. It's what I do. Finance videos and getting out of debt and things like that. So I was watching a video on a channel called Channel Makers, and that's what he does. He helps people so they can have, tips and tricks to grow YouTube channels. And he had the idea, I wonder what would happen if somebody did 30 shorts in 30 days. So what I did was I accepted it. So I did 30 shorts in 30 days, and I wrote down basically what it did for my channel. So let's start out. For starters, my subscriber rate when I first started, I had 10 subscribers. And I'm happy with 10. There's 10 people out there that wanted to actually see what I have to say as I'm standing here in front of the camera on my phone and talking about how I went from being 18 years old in prison, did 11 years in prison, got out of prison, basically did 10 years of you only live once, so I lived paycheck to paycheck, and then found a finance video that, set me off on a financial path. So that's what I'm doing. I'm telling my story of how I always say, of how I went from prison to penthouse. I've been down at the bottom, so I'm going up to the top. People can say, they can look at me and see that, this guy kind of has the deck stacked against him. He's done some bad things in his life, so there's that's always going to follow him around. But if he can overcome all that, what's holding me down? So that's what I want to do. I want to inspire those people that say, I don't know, I can't get over X, Y, and Z that happened in my life. Yeah, you can. You can get over it. Just stop allowing it to be an anchor. Cut it loose. Sounds easier said than done. I understand it's easier said than done. Trust me, I've been there. Took me years to cut my baggage loose. But once you do, oh man, it's a relief. So anyways, back to what I was saying, so I did these 30 days, 30 shorts. My subscriber mark went from 10 subscribers to 30 subscribers. That's a 200% increase. To me, that's amazing. I mean, you can say, oh, you did this for 30 days, you only got 20 subscribers, but 20 subscribers, like I said, you look at the percentage, 200% increase. That's awesome. 200% increase in 30 days. Can't beat that. My views, they exploded. They went from like 350 or so to 1,400, 1,300. So they went up 999%. That was a lot. Or my hours watched, it only went up to like 13, 14 hours, like 750%, which is still a lot, don't get me wrong. But my average view duration was only, I'd say, around 38 seconds per short. 58-second video, I'm holding someone's attention for about 38 seconds, which, in my opinion, that's pretty good because look at how amateur this is. I mean, this is me with my phone on a stand that I bought from Five and Below, sitting on top of my wife's jewelry case with my bathrobe behind me. That's how often I wear it. I didn't even know it was mine. So basically that's what it is. I don't even have a studio. I'm just standing here. Don't even have any good lights. It's just the light from my room because it's the only light that I have. The fact that I'm getting views like this, that makes me happy. You know, it's also authentic. I want to get my videos better. I want them to be more professional, and I plan on working on them to be more professional. I want to be real with what I'm bringing you, but I want to give you value, and I want to make it entertaining. I don't want you to just be like, hey, here's some goof standing in front of his dresser. So basically, what did I learn doing this 30 days of shorts? One, I learned luck is when preparation meets opportunity. So I was prepared to do these 30 shorts. I've already pressed record. I've already made a few videos. So I was able to sit down, make these quick videos, bust them out, get some of my views up. Now, the biggest thing I learned is people have very short attention spans. You have to catch their attention like that. You have to keep their attention, and you want to keep them on your channel. So you want, good quality videos. I learned that it gave me more time in front of the camera. I learned to speak quicker. I learned to speak smoother. It's hard to keep people's attention, and you need to bring them some value. So, like I said, if you enjoy content like this, give me a big thumbs up for that YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to my channel down below so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And I want to thank you for watching, and have a good day.